Let's talk about the truth on clickbait side hustle videos and remote job videos. About 99% of these videos that you keep seeing every single day are exaggerated with hyped up income claims or downright misleading. And this also requires you to take a lot of time, effort, and skill to put in to make money. For example, the most popular video that you probably heard of is where you can promote Amazon products on Pinterest to make 10K per month online. And what is even worse is that 99% of these people that are sharing these videos to you actually don't do it themselves. The truth is that these side hustle experts are promoting a course to make money online that has nothing to do with the side hustle video that they share. And before you say, yes, I do promote a course, but I would never promote it in a scammy or bullshit way and never tell you that it would be free, easy, fast, quick money that you'll make on this platform like most people claim it to be. Making money online will always require hard work, effort, and skill on your end. Now it's up to you if you want to keep spinning your wheels on social media to learn for free how to actually make money without the proven blueprint. Or option B is that you invest in yourself from a successful mentor and get step-by-step plan on how to get started. Well, if I was you, I chose option B.